Hi guys, I want to share with you this frying pan cake that I really enjoy to have on my breakfast or as a pre-workout. It has a lot of source of fiber and protein and it is so easy to make it. In a bowl, add 2 entire eggs, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt. For this recipe, I am using plain Greek yogurt. One teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Or you can use your sweetener. Just make sure that your sweetener is for oven. Using a hand mix, mix well. Combine 1 tablespoon amaranth flour, 2 tablespoons oat flour, mix well. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Pour batter in a greased frying pan. I greased my frying pan using coconut oil. And I pick up almost a handful of blueberries and cut some. I cut it and place it on the top of still raw cake so they will incorporate in the batter. And cook each side in a low oven until they golden brown. Like this. Let the cake cool before sliced and enjoy it with a cup of coffee, milk, or tea. I hope that you liked this version of my blueberry pancakes, and if you want more recipe like this, please let me know in your comments right below, and see you next time. Bye!